Welcome back to my second channel, guys, where Nemo reviews. Nemo my nickname, and reviewing the shoes cause I like buying them. So today we are going to review Nike Premier 2 Sala IC in Snow White, Photon Dust and University Red colorway. So first thing I would like to tell you about this particular shoe is that I am usually UK 8 US 9 size. However, like for this one, I read the reviews and then I went with it, and I ordered two size up, like not 8.5 but UK 9, which is US 10. So I've already peeled it off and took my address out, so no worries. Yep. Here is let me throw the box away. This is Nike. Okay, so it's moving inside. Let's see first. Yeah, Nike Premier 2 Sala, white, University Red, and yep, UK 9 and US 10. So first things first, the cost for this is 70 pounds, but I got it for 44. Yep, I got it for 44. I'm not gonna return it. Okay, so let us review the shoe and then I'll show you an on-feet version of how it looks. So here it goes. Okay, now I see. So first off the bat, like it's smaller than UK 9, as you can see. Like, I'm not sure if you can understand, the lightning is too bright, but if you can see, like the shading on this and this is different. Like this is mesh fabric and then this is leather, type of leather but not leather. So Snow White and Photon Red, and the sole. Okay, yep, that I made a right choice. With this one. Let's take the shoes out and review it properly. These are going to be my day-to-day shoes. Currently I wear something else, but time to switch it up. Yep, let's other colorways as well, but these are like definitely my favorite. Red and white, like you know, box of Marlboro cigarettes. But yeah. Oh, soccer, football, tennis, or even like me, like wear day to day. Like it's lockdown now, but if you want to wear them on daily basis, these are like a solid go. And if you like this video and if you want more from me, do it the like button, because there are plenty more. Like, I'm not sure if I should show you guys, but yep, plenty more. So yeah, drop a like, comment if any shoes, like there are plenty Air Jordans over there, one Yeezy, and I'll also tell you a backstory about Adidas, like how I'm fed up of Adidas. So take care and see you next time.